my god! But, the music, it's intensified. I love. What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So it's been a while since I've done a reaction to Eden Golan. It's been a while, but I've seen something that a lot of people didn't consider. Right? I've seen just one person. I'm not sure if others does, but I'm seeing one person react to this song. I'm not sure if any more reactions are out while this video is being recorded, but I've seen one person. Guys, look. Eden Golan, she's a master at singing. She's a superstar in my eyes, right? And we should support her some more. She's an Israelite, and I'm across in Jamaica. And her music reaches my heart, bro. Her story reaches my heart. Right? And to see people barely want to tap into her music, bro, that's sad, bro. You guys should do better than this. I mean, like, yeah, I'm a Jamaican, but I'm just a small YouTuber, right? And I love to hear people's voices. I love to hear people sing. I love to hear other people's way of living and what they put in their music so we could understand what they're going through. And Eden Golan, she's a master at that. But without that being said, I'll be reacting to her music now, right? And that song is called Older. Official music video, right? So I'm eager to know what's up, right? If this is an authentic story, then you know my heart will go out to y'all, right? So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into our story called Older. Guys, to see this, it brought back so much memories, right? With all those people, all those kids, all those family members who have lost their lives back in October. It almost been a year now since all of that situation occurred, right? And it's still tragic. It's still sad that so much people haven't get the chance to see their family member who was in that tragedy. And I'm so sorry, Eden, that you have to go through this every day while you're living. I'm sorry that you have to go through this with so much people, tears on your shoulders, which you have to bring forth across to the world so people could understand what you're going through with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. I'm sorry. Like, literally, I'm sorry.
It happens in a moment.
Whoa. 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 I love her voice so much, bro. The power of her voice. It's astounding. It's astounding.
Everything is broken, and you stare at yourself in the mirror like, who am I now?
I'm surprised that she's singing to someone who she loves, bro. She should not been going through this. Trust me.
Now I don't dream in color. Gray skies in the summer, and the words on the tip of my...
Whoa, she's gorgeous, bro. I mean, like, I would sit and to watch this woman all day. She's phenomenal. Trust me.
tongue, but I swallow it down, down, down. And just like that, I'm older. I'm older.
Oh my god. Whew. Whew. Her voice is so chilly. Her voice gives you that chilly feeling. As if she's like in a place where it's cold, bro.
Than I should be. Got the whole world on my shoulders. Could you carry it with me?
Oh my god, she's facing a lot. She has the whole world on her shoulders. So she's asking her partner if he could carry it with her. Trust me, I would dive right in. I would help her instantaneously. I would help her. I would be her keeper. I would be a supporter. I would be a friend. I would be a boyfriend. I would be a brother. I would be everything that she needs.
I should be out in the garden. I should be lost in a tree. But just like the
I'm literally going through the same thing at this point, and to see such a story like this playing in front of my eyes, is this coincidence? Is this coincidence? Because why people go through this thing with such, I don't know. I don't know. It's way more than I expected.
I'm older than I should be. Time will teach me that.
Well, the tempo, the beat changes, so I would love to hear what she have to say, what she have to say in this story, because her stories are freaking gorgeous.
I'm fighting from the feeling, but I fall in the room and the walls all come tumbling down.
She's further from the feelings, and her floor and her wall keep tumbling down, bro. This is some serious thing, man. It's some serious thing. Don't listen to the music and feel as if it's something simple. It's not. People are going through some times nowadays, bro. It's fucked up, bro. It's fucked up. It's fucked up.
So take a deep breath. I hold my health high. That's all I can do. God know it's too high. And the word.
Eden, I'm wishing you all the best in your endeavors. I'm wishing you all the best in what you're doing, because you're gorgeous, and please don't let anyone steal your beauty from inside. You have a beautiful soul, and I would love to cherish that soul for you. If you're feeling free and that guy's not giving you what you should deserve, please come to Jamaica. We will dominate, and I will be that dominance that make your love shine as bright as day. Ask the sun, man.
On the tip of my tongue, and I'm letting it out. And just like that, I'm older.
Exquisite music. Oh!
I'm older than I should be. Got the whole world on my shoulders. Could you carry it?
Look, she's very admiring, and she's carried the whole world on her shoulders, right? And she's so gorgeous.
With me, I should be out in the garden. I should be lost in a tree.
She's flexible. I like women with flexibility. Yes, yes, yes. She's so gorgeous in her own way. I'm loving that. Loving it so much.
But just like that, I'm older than I should be.
Amazing music. Beautiful music. Wow, the message, it's incredible.
Where were you when I was lost? When I needed.
And sometimes we need people in every way possible. No man is an island. No man stands alone. Everyone needs someone. Everybody needs somebody. It doesn't matter how dark the time gets, but people literally need people to help out one another. And if this female is requesting that guy to help her carry the world on his shoulders, right? Then just be there for her, bro. Just be there for her. Because sometimes people these days, they are pussies, man. They are some big kitty cat. And the message, it's phenomenal. Just like I'm older. I'm older than I should be. Probably she's going through some things that she thinks she was old enough to carry, but she's not. She's not, bro. But she's in a stage in her life right now that older than she should be.
Got the whole world on my shoulders.
my god! Bro, bro, bro. The music, it's intensified. I love this song. I love this song. I love this song, Eden.
Out in the garden, I should be lost, lost in a tree. But just like that, I'm older.
And their music is sweet. Honey music. Honey music.
I'm older than I should be. I should be.
Bro, please. Just grab on her. Don't you ever let go of this woman, bro. She's a gem. Keep her. She's rare. She's a diamond that is hard to find, bro. Keep her, man. Don't you dare let go of her. Eden, this was a very beautiful music. I enjoyed it. And you should promote this song some more. Right? Let your people know and what you're going through in life because it's amazing. If you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.